save it all for a fantasy. Is anybody going with me? If I go tonight, I doubt the world will change. I just pray they don't forget my name.
Hey friends, let's hop right into wash day. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I achieve my stretch bantu knot out using my RevAir blow dryer. So first I'm going to be going in with the RevAir Detox Pre-Wash Rinse. This product helps to remove any excess oils and just product buildup. This rinse is super hydrating. It has coconut water and apple cider vinegar to really get that deep cleanse going. Let's move on to shampoo. I have been loving the RevAir Cleansing Oil Shampoo. If you've been keeping up, you know I have high porosity hair. So this entire hydration collection has been such a dream for my curls. After following up with this shampoo, my scalp feels extremely clean, but without that stripping feeling. And I noticed that after I use this collection, my curls are popping, as you can see. A deep conditioning treatment hates to see me coming. And this extreme hydration deep conditioning treatment has been such a game changer in my routine. This hair mask also helps restore moisture and keeps your hair from being super frizzy. Now let's get into our blow drying routine. It is currently 1:39 and you guys are probably like, girl, why are you showing us the time? But let me put you on to the star of the show. This is the RevAir blow dryer, and when I tell you guys, this blow dryer has been such a game changer for the health of my hair and just for a mom like me. Because this device is super time efficient, this is not your standard blow dryer. This blow dryer uses reverse air technology to basically kind of use like the tension method to blow dry your hair, and that's why I said the health of my hair, because normally with the standard blow dryer I would have my blow dryer set to the highest heat and I would be using a round brush to make sure everything is getting as smooth as possible. But with the RevAir blow dryer, I can blow dry my hair on a cool setting and still achieve those same results. Oh, and remember I said I'm a busy mom. Anytime I am doing something for myself, magically the baby knows I am literally ripping and running trying to do my hair. But with the RevAir, girl, I can multitask while I blow dry my hair. I can literally sit here and edit a whole video with one hand while blow drying my hair. Insane. Sometimes I can't believe how fast it takes me to blow dry my hair. It literally took me 15 minutes to do majority of my head. I finished up that little section at the top and we are hopping straight into styling. Today we are achieving heatless curls using the bantu knot method. This method is super easy, just like everything else in this video. I install about 11 bantu knots, and since my hair is in a blunt cut, I do have to use rubber bands just because bobby pins just aren't gonna cut it. As I'm styling, I do like to use a spray leave-in, and this is the leave-in from RevAir. I already used it to blow dry my hair, but I like to go in just a little bit to add some more moisture to my hair and help the curl really set in. I don't want to use too much leave-in because I don't want my hair to revert, obviously. Once I add the leave-in, I hop right in and I just start forming the bantu knot. The size of your bantu knots will really determine the tightness of your curl. So if you want bigger, looser waves, you would need bigger bantu knots. If you are looking for tighter curls, you want to go for smaller bantu knots. So I'm doing a little something in the middle. So now that I've completed my bantu knots, I'm just going to put a bonnet on and wait till the next morning to do my reveal. Good morning. We are finally taking down our hair, and when I tell you guys, sleeping in bantu knots are sometimes hit or miss, but I think with the rubber bands it did add a little bit more tension to my hair than I would like. But I'm going in and I'm just gonna cut these rubber bands out and just start taking down all the bantu knots. And as you can see, my hair has such a beautiful shine to it, and my hair feels very soft and it doesn't feel dry at all. And I think that is due to me adding the leave-in conditioner before I bantu knot my hair. So I'm going in with a little bit of oil just for takedown purposes because I want to limit the amount of frizz right now. It is day one, so know, the frizz will increase gradually. That's just how I like it. I'm just pulling apart the Bantu knots in all different types of directions, all different sizes, and just fluffing out my hair to my liking. And as you can see, there are really no parts that you can see in my hair because I parted my Bantu knots kind of wild. There were no like super straight parts beside my middle part. I do that just to ensure that no parts are being seen, but to really ensure that my hair does not have any visible parts, I like to go in with a pick and just fluff my hair out even more. And now we are left with super bouncy, beautiful, shiny curls that were achieved with no heat. Even the blow dry was no heat. If any of these products sparked your interest, all the links are down below, and make sure to use the coupon code CHOLEY for 10% off. And if you have any questions about anything, feel free to let me know in the comments and I will get right back to you, girl. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.